Before we start the video, I want you to subscribe to the best Telegram channel at the first link in the description, where we show our earnings on cryptocurrencies, and not only, our capital that we manage is more than $3 million. Here you will find only the most useful. Thanks for subscribing. Also in the description is a links to verified exchangers, when you register on which, you get a welcome bonus from me. Let's get to the video. I think many of you remember the prognosticators from Reddit who used to make predictions about how Bitcoin would behave. Well, there is something similar now with Terra Luna Classic, but Terra Luna Classic was predicted by artificial intelligence, and today we're going to talk about how Terra Luna Classic could reach $1 by the end of this year. Have a comfortable seat, and we'll get started. In terms of the cryptocurrency market, we have a market that is trading pretty well. Exactly. I take altcoins into account, because I see some of them are growing quite nicely, but overall, in 24 hours, Bitcoin, Ethereum, such top cryptocurrencies, they are standing still. While capitalization is smaller, it does make itself felt, and, for example, we see that Phantom, in 7 days, gave 34%, while cryptocurrencies have not grown so much, but, at the same time, we see that Terra Luna Classic, in 7 days grew by 13%, and in 24 hours by the same 13%. So, the rise in Terra Luna Classic specifically happened today, and, today, the Luna Classic performed quite well. In part, this is even because Binance has removed all the risk tickets, and now Luna Classic, we see, does not pose any risks to those who came here to trade on the Binance exchange. And I will say more, that even the USTC token, it is also, in principle, risk-free. That is, the exchange has removed these tokens in order not to scare users, because the exchange is one of the largest holders of Terra Luna Classic, well, and I think USTC, the former stablecoin as well. Well, that can't be said about Luna yet. Many, by the way, wrote in the comments that you don't talk about Luna anymore, but in fact, it's not worth talking about now. In the closed group, I gave a signal. We used to buy Luna at 30, and, accordingly, Luna has now gone up and given 100%. When to exit, I also wrote there. On Terra Luna, I have no questions at all. I believe in this coin, that it will be worth decent money. Because we see the development, the ecosystem continues to develop. We see Terra Luna 2.0, there are basically projects here, they are built. As we see that there is a definite workable product, there are a number of products working on this project, on the Terra Luna 2 project, that are very worthy, so I have no doubt that Terra will be worth there, at least the values where it started trading, which is $12, depending on the exchange, so I have no doubts. But, today is not about this Terra, but about Luna Classic. As noted earlier, this is that on Terra Luna. I am expecting a hike to 23,000, accordingly this is resistance, and this target Terra Luna Classic will take in the near term. What we saw on the weekly time frame, we've seen a tightening here. We've seen the Terra Luna Classic go behind the trend line, scaring traders in every way possible. But those traders who don't know how to work the chart, it's hard to call them traders at all. Some people don't look at the chart at all, and they don't look at the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame showed us a pretty good setup, and, I told you earlier, before the week is out, you should not panic, and we were trading at 8,500, that was our support zone, and now we're ahead and we're up pretty bad lately. 13% is not a bad result. The exchange is showing us 15%, so I don't think it's over yet, and, going forward, Terra Luna Classic will grow to that goal that I outlined. Well, naturally, if you got into this movement, you will have at least 30% profit there, which is pretty good. As far as artificial intelligence goes, as you understood, Bitcoin was predicted here by people on Reddit who called themselves anonymous, but Luna Classic predicted artificial intelligence, and here it says AI, which translates as artificial intelligence. Actually, here we see that this artificial intelligence predicted a price of $1 by the end of this year. The prediction was on January 29 of this year. He says that Luna Classic is a centralized system, a social network. Accordingly, we have a total supply of 690,000,000,000,000 tokens. We dropped from 119 to $1, and, accordingly, 38,000,000,000,000 tokens we burned. That's 0.5% of the total supply, but minus tokens we 100,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000, because if you look at Luna Classic, let's move on to this token now. In total, here's actually 69,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000, and now we've already got a trillion taken away. So he is saying that, in general, we can still burn tokens, and consequently Terra Classic may have 100 trillion tokens by the end of this year, and yet, he thinks it might take less than 1 year. He also says that Luna is a project, it's focused on decentralization and its founders. Do Kwon has nothing to do with this project right now at all, and this project is a team right now. Exactly the kind of groups that are working on upgrading on the blockchain, so this could decide how the project will behave next, but it's a good call. Also, the fact that Binance is interested, one way or another, in getting those tokens burned as much as possible, and the fact that Binance has removed that bar that was scaring everybody, it shows that the project is recovering and they work on it, and I think that CZ sees it, and moreover, that maybe it even contributes to it somehow, so it's not bad at all. Plus, you have to keep in mind that there are other groups as well. For example, Kai Labs confirms the token burning schedule, and, in fact, it wants to support the Terra Luna Classic listing on Coinbase in this way, and, in principle, we can see that the work is underway, and it's also worth noting that if the artificial intelligence is telling us that, after all, we will burn a huge number of tokens, they just won't exist, they will simply dissolve, by the end of this year, then $1 for Terra Luna Classic is a very real, achievable mark. At least that is what the artificial intelligence predicted. We can see that Terra Luna's capitalization is now above $100 million, and, in principle, we can see that it has a good growth margin in the near future. What I mean by that is that we had a spike here, we had it in September, and we see that the capitalization was 3 billion, which means that we are looking at what will happen in the near future. If there was a capitalization of 3 billion and now it's 100,000,000,000,000,000, so the value of the Terra Luna Classic, which now has a value of the present 19500, it will have the value that we had in September, but, with more burns, that cost could be even higher. What do you think about this? Post in the comments. Good luck, everyone. Goodbye, everyone.